Guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable major updates on your Robinhood app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. When you click in this sign here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to next step here. All you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you just click on notifications and messages here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on push notifications. Then come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. Then you keep going down here, click here on market updates. So then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to major updates, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.